Okay, we're back. We are on E9, arrange high probability request sequence. We were going over how we use this to have a good flow, to make sure our intervention is moving at a good pace. We give the simple tasks which are considered high P, and then we give a low P, which is considered a difficult task. So like I said, I gave these examples on the sides where you could have them, if it's in their repertoire, you can have them identify numbers, show them a flashcard and say, what number is this? And then give them an actual equation by saying 2 + 2 = 4. So it's significantly more difficult, but if you give it to them after 2 to 5 of the high P request, you will be more successful in getting a response. Does everybody understand that for E9? Or want to give an example? Anyone?
I have a client who, or actually I don't have a client that does this, but I have practiced this in the past where maybe the goal is like clapping hands and they're having difficulties clapping hands when just asking them to do it. So I might say something that's known in their repertoire, like touch nose, touch head, tap the table, clap your hands, something like that.
That's good. Perfect. It's a great example. Thank you, Emily.
For sure.
All right, so we can move on to matching to sample. What is match to sample? Anyone?
It's pretty much you are matching the identical picture to itself. So a picture of a dog to a picture of a dog.
Perfect. All right. All right, so I have matching two stimuli that are the same for reinforcement. So would they get reinforcement if I put the cat on top of the sample of a dog?
No, it's not a...
No, so it has to be the dog with the dog, the same exact match. Okay, so I found out that there's two different types of matching to sample procedures. Does anybody know those two types?
An identity, something.
Identical, non-identical.
Identical and non-identical. Okay. Identity matching and simple. Oh, symbolic matching.
Yeah. So it's identity matching to sample and symbolic matching to sample. So identity matching to sample is sample and comparison stimuli are physically identical. So picture with picture, which is what's here. So if I grab this picture and I put it on top of here, if you say match and I put it one on top of the other, I get reinforcement. Okay. For symbolic matching to sample, it says sample with comparison stimuli are arbitrary. So word with picture. So if instead of here I had dog, sorry about that. Instead of here I had the word dog and I grab it and you say match and I put this with that, that is also matching to sample. Do you guys understand?
Yes.
So there's,
yeah, that's a great graphic. That's good.
good. Thank you. So
and that is reflexivity, isn't it, Dean?
Yeah. So basically, matching to sample and stimulus equivalence, they kind of go hand in hand, but I still have to learn more on stimulus equivalence. So, but I did notice that they do go hand in hand with match to sample.
Well, and the word with like dog, that would be symmetry.
Symmetry.
The picture would be reflexivity.
Okay, there you go.
In order for that to be symmetry, you have to do the, just the picture to the word, then the word to the picture. If you don't flip it back, you don't have symmetry.
Okay. I am still learning on that, so I didn't want to get into that, but I do know that there's two different types of matching to sample, and one is a word with a picture and a picture to a picture. You guys were saying picture with picture. That one, isn't that symmetry?
No, that's reflexivity.
Okay,
It's
okay.
the mirror image. It's the
It's
picture.
a mirror image, you're right, right. Reflection, right.
Right.
Okay, thank you guys. All right, so let's do a quick quiz. We'll see if you guys know your AKAs. All right, for high probability,
Behavior momentum.
Behavior momentum.
Pre-task
It's
request
also
and
pre-task
interspersed
and
request.
interspersed.
right.
The three. Yeah.
So it's those three in the bottom, the pink. Perfect. So behavior momentum, pre-task request, and interspersed request. So how about pre-MAC principle?
Grandma's law.
Grandma's law.
And relativity.
Relativity theory. So those two, Grandma's law and relativity. Oh my God, it's so dark. I mean, so light. Okay. All right. Next we have antecedent interventions. This is all in section E,
It's all the red.
Sure.
the red. All right. So it's
Daymi,
antecedent.
Daymi, is there a reason you made all the matches the same colors?
Yeah. So you guys can know that they go together.
Is there a response? What is that? Stimulus? Something?
Yeah. Yeah.
They make it more salient.
Yeah.
Right.
I want you guys to be successful.
Thank you, Daymi. You too.
All right. Matching law.
The last one, matching theory.
Matching theory. Great. You see, and it works. All right, the next one. More AKAs. Okay, so these are the group contingencies. For dependent group contingency, what is it?
Hero contingency.
Hero contingency.
All right, the next one, independent group contingency.
Everyone for themselves.
One for themselves. Mhm.
And last,
All or none.
All or none.
all or none. Awesome. All right, so since I'm over my time, it's 11:06. I don't want to keep you guys, but you guys can do chapter 17, which is stimulus control, and it goes over everything I went in your free time. So I'm going to grab this right here, and I'm going to put it on the chat so you guys can do it on your own time. Take some time. It's 18 questions. And it goes over stimulus generalizations, the group contingencies, behavior contrast, matching to sample, everything that we just talked about in my is on this chapter. So take some time, like I said, and click on the link on the chat and go over it. Thank you for attending my meeting. I greatly appreciate it.
Thank you, Daymi. It was pretty good.
Tomorrow is Yanni's Bell's meeting at 10 p.m. Eastern. And next week, guys, is section D. Please, please, please. Section D is the most important section. So try to go to as many meetings as you can for section D. Remember to look at our Facebook page, our YouTube channel, the website. And if you have any emails or questions, you can email us at leaders@abaexamacademy.com. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Daymi.
Good night, guys.